How to apply the F-formula, a step-by-step guide by dating coach Rika Lösholm, and that's me. So, are you looking for an honest and transparent review of Marni's F-formula? Or are you struggling to find success in your dating life? Then look no further, because that's exactly what I'm going to share with you today. The flirt method F-formula might be the solution you're looking for, or it might not be the solution for you. If you're a woman, this is not the solution for you, since this is a dating coaching program that is for men and teach men how to pick up women. The flirt method F-formula is a comprehensive dating system developed by relationship expert Marni F, designed to help men gain confidence and attract women authentically. This program focuses on understanding and improving your mindset, communication skill, and overall approach to dating. And as a dating coach, I can tell you that all of these things are true keys to finding love successfully. No matter if you decide ultimately to purchase her program or not, this is the biggest takeaway that I think. She will feel like you are reading her mind when you combine all these pieces. The flirt method F-formula has helped many men gain a new perspective on dating and relationships, just like Henry's story in my previous article, and also video here on YouTube that you can watch after watching this one. I have left a link in the description so you can just check it out. Since it covers the 3 stages of flirting. If you miss one, you will be stuck in the friend zone forever with this love interest of yours. Don't make that mistake, but be ready to escape the friend zone once and for all. Through the flirt method F-formula, you'll learn practical techniques, strategies, and mindset shifts to help you become more attractive to women. For instance, you will know why allowing her to discuss her emotions is essential to escape the friend zone. And if you just want to escape the friend zone, here are some other tips that will help you do that. This program covers everything from mastering flirting, which is important to understanding female psychology, which is essential if you are going to be successful with women. Does the flirt method F-formula work? According to Henry's experience, it transformed his dating life and led to positive results with women. The program helped him gain confidence and develop a healthier mindset toward dating. Remember that confidence is critical, especially around your insecurities. If you want to unleash your dating potential and improve your success with women, the flirt method F-formula might be the game changer you need. To learn more, you can check out my comprehensive review that's available if you click the link in the description below, or tap on it if you're on your phone, where I share Henry's story and how it can help you to get the woman you desire. The F-formula is a guide to flirting with women, emphasizing confidence, playfulness, and authenticity. All are keys to successful dating and relationships with women. That's something I know as a dating coach myself. The F-formula is a step-by-step guide to flirting with women. It includes tips on how to start a conversation, make her laugh, and build attraction. Some essential tips include being confident, using humor, and showing genuine interest in her, because we all know that dopamine and endorphins make you feel better and will also make you feel more attracted to a person who can trigger those emotions in you. Remember to be respectful and listen to her responses, and don't be afraid to take risks and be yourself. And if you want tips, click the link in the description below and watch my full review of Marni's F-formula. This is dating coach Rika Lösholm thanking you for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more tips